Stuart, so you're continually expanding and investing. Now, you've invested in this Mitutoyo vision system, but why?
Well, we're starting to get more complex components coming through, so it's initially to allow us to do more complex stuff. We had a job a little while ago where we was finding it difficult to measure absolutely everything with any real certainty, so this gives us confidence to take on more difficult work.
And the type of customers that you're bringing into the company now, do they demand this type of inspection?
Yeah, a lot of them do, more and more now. Obviously anything for sort of aerospace, automotive, things like that, it's all very, very important. And to find out that something's wrong after it's gone out the doors too late, we need to get it done before it goes out, so it's limited damage.
There's quite a few systems on the market from different manufacturers, but why did you opt for the Mitutoyo products?
Yeah, well, we looked at a few different systems. For what we wanted, this machine was the most versatile for us. It allowed us to do as much as we could within this price range. And also a big part of it was Mitutoyo's support. Having gone up there and see the guys and meet them, speak to them, it was very evident that they would support us all the way through if we purchased one of their machines.
So you've got some training coming up with Mitutoyo, haven't you?
Yes, I have. I'm going up there soon, actually. I'm going to go on their 3-day training course up in Coventry. So, again, that will give us the confidence that I can check the parts and I'm doing it correctly.
Stuart, thanks very much indeed.
Thanks a lot, Mark.